Alright, hey, this is Rich from Newschoolpiano. We're going to do Every Little Thing She Does Is Magic by the Police. Here we go. Right hand, always doing it slow is hard, but here we go. So it looks like this. So. So, G, A, E. So the first three are G, A, E, and then G, D, A. G, A, E, G, D, A. Let's get the left hand before we get that other part. G, A, B, C sharp. And again. Here we go. Start on the G. Last one is G, A, and that's when it repeats into that next thing again. Sped up, just take it slow. Make sure you use the YouTube playback speed channel. You go where the three dots are, and you can set this playback speed to 50% or 75, whatever you want. You can actually slow this down if it's going too fast. All right, so it does that riff. G, A, B. Okay, it does it. Here's that change. Goes back one more time. Here's the next new one. So that one does. Slowly in time. Okay, and then the pre-chorus is what that is. G, excuse me, D. G, A, D. G, A, D, G. Watch. I'll do that again. So I'm going. see how I can break that down for you. D chord, G chord, A chord, D chord again, it's inverted D chord, to a root D chord. I just took the A and I put it up there, just like I always show. Inversions are simple. D is a D chord. First inversion, put the D on top. Second inversion, put the F sharp on top. And when you go one more time, you're back to the root. So there is only a root, a first inversion, second inversion. So what he's doing is, and it's all kinds of stuff playing there, but that's a good solo comp for that. So. Again, D chord. Again. Last bit. So, every little thing. Last part. Just add those two chords. So it's B flat, F, B, flat, C, 2, which is an F sus2, F, G, C. Right from here, you go back into go back, use the slow down feature of YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the like button. We really appreciate all the support that you guys doing. There should be a little button up there to subscribe. It's free. I've literally got hundreds and hundreds of how-to videos. I take requests and I actually try to answer each and every comment that everyone gets me from around the world. It's really amazing. I'm so happy to be doing this. Thanks for watching, and visit Newschoolpiano.